Singsang Taytay Leho. My name is Riolin Villaba, 32 years old. I'm from Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am married. I have two sons ages 7 years old and 5 years old. I have one daughter ages 1 year old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and gardening. I am a pet lover. I have one dog and one cat. My expertise are childcare and elderly care. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve one couple and 3 children ages 4 years old, 2 years old, and a newborn. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. I am willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and obedient. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.